everyone, welcome back to my channel. Of course, I apologize again for being so late on posting videos. I just want to thank y'all for being so patient and staying loyal and not unsubscribing to my channel, but we're only going up from here. So today we are going to start with a new video on my brand new Cameo 4. I'm so excited to finally have a new machine. I've had the Silhouette Cameo 2, the 3, and I'm finally upgrading to the 4. Nothing happened to my 3. I just wanted a brand new machine. So this will be an unboxing video so I can show you all how it looks, give you more detail, and let you know exactly what's in the box, which I'm really not sure. I didn't really read about it. I went and picked it up yesterday from Michael's. It was $2.99 plus tax, so I don't even know how much I spent. I know it was over $300, but of course I'm sure it's well worth it. It says it has a built-in roll feeder, a built-in vinyl cross cutter, increased speed and power, which that is a win for me because those other 2 and 3, they're really slow. So this one is supposed to be faster, and it's a bit bigger than the 3. So we're going to take a look and see what's in the box to see what we have. Alright, so again, you guys, I have not opened the box because I was waiting to be able to do a video. Like I said, I just picked it up yesterday. So let's see what we have inside. And pardon my gloves. Y'all know I work on so many projects. I just keep my gloves on. So this is the box, and it shows all the different things that you can make with it. Okay, got your startup website. These are the cords, and here is the cutting mat, which I figured that you don't really need a mat to use this machine, but I'll be doing another video after this of me using the machine. So I'm about to tear the machine up. I don't even know what I did with the receipt. Okay. So I have the, the regular package, which they do have the package that has the bundle where they have the starter materials as far as the HTV, and which is the heat transfer vinyl, and also the adhesive vinyl. But of course I'm not a beginner, so I figured I would not need that. So here it is. So cute. They do have them in different colors, such as red, white, and black. I'm not sure of any other colors. I thought maybe it looked scratched up, but it may be plastic on it, but I'll figure it out. Oh, yep, it has plastic on it, so I thought it was scratched up. Excuse me and my little baby in the back. He's so precious. Just gotta show him off. So this is it. I guess there's nothing too special about the unboxing of it. Like I said, I didn't get the one that came with all the stuff because I figured I didn't need it. So yeah, that's it. And then on the 3, the top flips up, but this one comes up and slides on in and has all the little pieces. So what I'm going to do is remove all the tape and kind of set it up. I believe my needles, my razors, blades, whatever you call them. I don't understand why I have to tear everything to even open it. Okay, there we go. So here's the power cord, and it also comes with a USB for me to connect it to my laptop. It comes with 4 blades, looks like. Nope, it's 1 blade, and you change it to, I guess, adjust it to whatever type of material that you'll be using. And it has like the different slots to put the needle. So that's that. And let's see. I'm trying to find the instructions for the different blades. Okay, so I already found one thing that I love about it already. So you know, on the Silhouette 3, you have the little piece that you have to move to, like, for the sides of your mat to hold down the vinyl, this little roller piece. As you can see, it has a little lock icon on it. I'm not sure if you see it. I'm trying to make the camera focus, but it has a little lock button on it, so it's easier for it to just lock in. So you hold the button down and then move it to like where one of those ridges are and let it go, and this won't even move, especially even with it, you know, it's not even locked in right here. It's not even moving. So that's one feature that I like about it already. So I don't have to, you know, if you don't lock it right on the Silhouette 3, your mat will get to losing control, and your vinyl cut will be all over the place. So that's one thing that I like already. And I've removed the tape, and I was able to push this over to the side because it had, you know, other stuff, and it starts to cut over here anyway. So let's see what else we can find. So that's a little slot for to store your blade, and I'll go ahead and plug it up and see how fast it's actually cut. Okay, so finally I was able to do my first few cuts. I had to first download all of my designs to the Silhouette Cloud, and then go to Silhouette America and put the updated version of the Silhouette on here. So I went from the 5 to the, I believe it said 4.4 or something like that. So what I've been doing now is I've been trying to find the right cut or right settings to cut out the vinyl and glitter vinyl. So this is how it looks, and also it is faster. On the 2 and 3, the speed could only be leveled up to a 10, but on this machine you can level it all the way up to a speed of 30. So that's good. It cuts pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and send this last piece through, and it seems like it's disconnecting a lot or something. I don't know what the issue is with it. It keeps disconnecting or saying I need to load up the mat before I send it, and obviously it'll already be sent through before then. So seems like it is kind of having, and I don't believe that has anything to do with the machine. I just feel like this updated version is just not cooperating. So I'll just power off the machine and turn it back on. It says ready to load, so I'll just unload it and see if it'll work then. Sorry, I got a baby in my other hand. Can I push the button? Okay, so now it says ready, so I'm going to go ahead and send it through. And it's just finding the setting that I put on. And this speed is on 10. I don't have it set on 30. I was trying to see if I needed to slow it down. So once this finished cutting, I'll come back and we'll discuss further about that. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here is my final cut on the Cameo 4. So I hope you all got a clear understanding of what you're purchasing before you go out and spend those hard-earned coins. I think I'm going to like the machine. It's just going to take some getting used to. But I believe that's about it. So Say hey, baby. Say hey. And this is Lakari. He's now 4 months. Say hey. He's a real goofy baby, but don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You'll be seeing more of us. Hopefully I'll be able to drop new video every day or at least once a week. You know, I have a lot going on, so we'll be getting it together. Bye, y'all.